Hi there again. I'm trying to do a bunch of little videos today. This is Stangl. I don't know if that's how that's pronounced, but I get the question a lot about this brand. This piece was purchased for $2 in a thrift store. It does have a chip. I think, that's useful to know. When tested with an XRF instrument, which is a consumer goods testing instrument used by the Consumer Product Safety Commission and is a scientific instrument designed to test for lead. And in the case of pottery, it tests the surface lead. This tested positive for over 504,000 parts per million lead in the glaze. And what I want to show you is this crystal looking color on the base ceramic that is actually the lead. It's clear. It's like a clear coat. I'm sure there's lead underneath it as well, but the clear coat is leaded, and they put it on to make the dishes look shiny. So we know this is 50% lead. I'm going to wash my hands afterwards. But does it test positive with a reactive agent kit? So I don't know the answer to that. And so there's the powder and the liquid, crush and crush, shake, and then I pull it out, and it's the orange gooey stuff. And this will be an interesting experiment. Again, 50% lead. Well, I guess it's not too much of a surprise. It's turned pink right away. I'm just trying to get it pink enough to show you. So when you eat off these vintage Stangl dishes, and all of the dishes from this brand are really high lead. Woohoo! When you eat off of these dishes, and I'm going to be washing my hands really thoroughly after this, you are getting microparticulate lead into your food. And because most people don't have the funds to test every single dish in their home, or to do leach testing, or any kind of, or to hire someone to test things with an XRF instrument, it's just a good first principle to not use vintage dishware. There's no excuse for using something that's potentially harmful that hasn't been proven safe, and that there are enough examples of out there in the world that we can expect that they would be unsafe and they've been tested. I have hundreds of dishes on the blog. You might be able to find yours when you go to leadsafemama.com. You might not. Just there's a couple different ways to search, and those are in the video that shows you how to search the blog on my YouTube channel. But don't use vintage dishes. Start there. It causes reproductive disorders. It causes arthritis. It causes headaches, and it's linked to early onset Alzheimer's. It causes infertility. Erectile dysfunction is one I like to share with men because sometimes it's hard to get them on board. Stop using your vintage dishes unless you have a chance to leach test them and know for sure they're safe, because I would almost guarantee that they're not safe. And there's no reason you can't just go out and spend $10 on 10 new plates from the dollar store that'll be a lot safer. Okay, thanks for being here. Bye-bye.